excited, y'all. My white platinum parrotfish are spawning and breeding. They're laying the eggs there on the side of that little pleco cave. The male is fertilizing them as she lays them. I'm excited. This is the second time. The first time they was in the community setup that I got, the grow out. Too many fish. I threw them in this small little setup right here, and they're doing awesome. Not even a week in here, and they was ready. So stay tuned, y'all. Hopefully we have some fries. So this video is gonna be a continuing video. Look at the male coming right behind her. There go the male coming behind her, fertilizing the eggs. Awesome pair, white platinum parrots. Look at the colors on them, amazing. She's just glowing. Look at her egg tube hanging out, sticking out a lot. You can see her egg tube. Got a few of these guys in here. They're gonna be stressed out just from treating them. Now, I can't even touch this tank, clean it up, or do nothing yet. But I'm excited to see they got a little batch of eggs over there. She's not done. Try not to disturb them. Back to these cool guys. They've been working. As you can see, the white platinum parrot convicts. Look at that nest that they got. Jeez. Look at that nest. Zoom in a little bit. Got a pretty large nest down there. I don't know. Whole bunch of little fries. How many y'all think? Let's count, y'all. Whoever gets the number of fry correct, get a prize. But yeah, I'm excited. These guys are doing good. That's the female in the bottom. Male right up here, all in your face, 3D. Beautiful fish. Look at her colors. Her colors are amazing. For those of you that ask about the alarms, those are wired. They always make those noise. Every place I go, move into or whatever, never fails. It's a New York thing. Eli, say what's up?
What's up?
Say what's up, YouTube? Talk so I can hear you.
This is the fish Daddy having it, and the other fish Daddy Nana show you later. It have two fish in the other fish tank.
Right, Eli?
Yeah.
Eli getting big.
Yeah.
So yeah, y'all stay tuned for fry. Say bye, Eli.
Bye.
Gonna give these guys some glowworms. Let's see how they react to the glowworms.
Hi guys.
Are they gonna eat it, Eli? Let's see.
I don't think so. So some too little.
They're gonna eat it up.
I think them not eat it. So them have big mouth.
Yeah.
And them have little mouth. So
Nope. They're gonna eat it. Look, look, there they go.
I don't think I eat it. See?
Yeah, look, they're gonna smell it. Look, 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 look. Boom.
All the time I eat it.
Oh, glowworms everywhere. Look. Oh, they're gonna go crazy for that.
Yeah. They're gonna go crazy.
Oh.
Oh, wait. This one that I picked one. So then I made that one. Oh wait, no, more, Daddy, more, right there.
Boom.
You hold up the banana. No, the guy coming after it up
The
there.
little guy's in flame, right?
Yeah, the little guy say, "Oh, I'm gonna get this for the big."
The ramen nose tetras.
And look at them eggs. Some a lot of eggs inside.
Yeah.
And this is the daddy and not the mama.
Yup, the daddy and the mommy to the eggs.
And hatching more babies in there for them to eat. The parents see them have the red fish one in the nose.
Let's go give the other fish some food.
Next time.
Eli gonna put the bloodworms inside. Put it, Eli. Whoop, there you go.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
The flower horn tank. There you go. Go wash your hands.
I wash my hands.
They don't know what that is yet, but
Shut up. Waterborne, maybe. Waterborne. I wash my hands, though, Daddy. My brother made them. See how they're all that. Oh! Yo, it's a demon. I'm gonna see this book, guys. See that. This guy's not gonna eat it.
gotta leave them.
He'll stop you. Oh, he's not gonna eat. He's not ready, babe. So he's not gonna eat. Wish you could eat that.
These guys are starting to build a nest already down there.
Yeah, I'm building nests in a rock.
Yup.
Next to that dope rock.
Right. There they go. Uh-oh, party time. Bloodworms.
Daddy put this on them, and the other fish thing, Daddy put the same thing like that, a new one.
They're getting a bloodworm treat.
Oh, this guy eating it. I love this ugly one. Is that a brain on him? This one died. I'm trying to eat it in the floor. So they eat the food.
They're going crazy.
Yo. I think that one not so tasty anymore. Daddy, I'm eating it.
Yeah.
Look at the other fish team.
Yeah, they're all eating.
I want to check now.
You want to check that one out?
Yo. Yeah, Daddy, look how much of that. Not a lot of them. It's a four. This guy's been... Daddy, it's the whole thing.
Yup.
No, Daddy, look.
Yeah, they're gonna eat.
A lot of them. Yo, that's not a plus on that food. Look at them. Can't even not eat that. But I'm not eat that. Oh.
Yeah, these guys are loving it.
Yeah, them
A
love it.
pair of flower horns right here, y'all. Stay tuned. Building a nest. That boy is stunning. Look at him. Just pearled all out. Got him. 2 ladies in there.
Yeah, and this is the most daddy. This is the baby, and this is the mom, and this is the daddy. Can have a brain out of him.
He got a brain in his head, right?
Yeah.
Eli said he got a brain in a big brain in his head.
And that's the mom and that's the baby.
Yeah.
So the mom and the big guy taking care of the baby. The mom. But the mom thing, the bad boy. And then daddy had that little Charlie fish thing. And that may be for them to eat food. That one, the tar everywhere.
Now let's feed the bigger tank.
Yeah. Bye.
My eyeball tank, y'all ain't up on this. Predators up in here. Drop a few.
The beast had it. Them like his own.
Yeah, this that eyeball predator tank. That tank that you guys would never dare do. Only me. Monsters Aquarium. Let's get it, baby.
Yo,
The best of all worlds, right, Eli?
I'm eating it. Yo, this is the more better one I really like. I'm all dotting on the food.
Oh, they're gonna go crazy.
I love this better fish. Them evenly bite it. Oh, died it over there. Oh, that's shaking it with a man. Look at this. Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it. Oh, he's biting it. Boy.
South American, African,
Oh, he put it in my mouth.
Lake Malawi.
He made it, Daddy. He made it in all his mouth and eating it. See that? That get the whole thing.
Yep. They want more.
Yeah, I want more. Die, you last. Oh, I'm definitely not like that. Guys, this one. And this one. I'm hiding my thing. This one. Look, see? I point at them. They're right there. You see them all dotting up in the side. You can see it going away.
Yeah. Now we going to the grow out tank with the baby killers, right, Eli?
Yeah. We got the Diddler one and the Zebra one. So
The zebra one.
it's Dia Zebra.
Yeah, we got the black nasties, the Cubans. We got the...
Wait, put them on.
black starry cichlids in here. Oscars. They're gonna go crazy.
Oh, the Dia! Yo, that's shady.
Oh, yeah.
Right there, guys.
Watch it, Eli. Move to the side.
Yeah,
they're gonna eat this up.
oh, no. Let's see inside. Wait. Black Widow.
Oh, it's the Black Widow. You named them?
Yeah. Black Widow. It's a black.
Yeah, it's all black, cool colors.
Black Widow. Yeah. Widow.
Check out those blue faces.
Yeah, and this one, the blue faces. And then Daddy haven't shown you this one, so this one too. This one like them. And then this is the sub blue one, even the third. And Daddy showed them this one.
Wait, puppy.
That.
So all these fishes got their own little territory. These guys, the Oscars and all these other guys picked out this section right here.
The Bat Widow.
The angelfish, the rainbows, and
The
black nasties, and the Y-bars took the middle right here.
And the
got the beautiful
zebra. And we got the zebra.
Yeah.
Him big.
Yep.
Him the daddy. So him taking care of the zebra.
Parrots, they got this section over here.
Bat Widow. And we got another zebra.
Black Widow, we got named them.
Yeah, Bat Widow. And
they go to
I told him
Lelo are all over. As you can see, I'm speaking over Eli.
This one.
The black, the Cuban cichlids are all over. Look at them, they're going out real nice.
I'm doing big. Right, Daddy?
Yup, they're getting real nice. So they're gonna be in here eating for a little bit.
Yeah. I'm trying to eat all of
Here,
that.
hold this recorder, Eli. No, don't keep your hand out, be blocking it. No, there, like.
Okay, highest
Hold that in the bottom. Hold that there. Back up a little bit. Stay still. Hold it right there. So yeah, y'all, this is Eli recording. Let me take this
and then let me
to the
this
freezer.
one.
Stay in this tank right here. Stay right here.
Daddy, hold me. I did it out.
Alright, Eli.
I did it out.
Trying to still. Sorry, y'all, for this minute of recording. I'm trying to train my son.
I'm sorry with that.
Straight, right there.
That widow right there, and this is a little fish. I told him Bat Widow, but I don't know the name, so I told him Bat Widow anyway. And I told this one the zebra. The zebra is like saying more zebra one.
Yeah, good job, Eli.
And this is one I told him Bat Widow, and I told him the zebra, and I told him the daddy zebra.
The red wolf go right back there.
And let's see that blue one, not the true one.
Yeah.
I like that one,
That's
Daddy.
the blue face oscars, right?
Yeah. Blue face acid. Acid.
Yeah, but I'm loving this tank. So I have the platinum parrots here, but I moved them to that little tank over there. As you can see, they're all
And Daddy,
they about to drop. They're ready for eggs. They're ready spawning. Hopefully some fry by next week.
Daddy got some fish hiding.
Yeah, they're high.
Some hide there, and under the rock.
Wow, those bloodworms are gone. They didn't have a chance, right, Eli?
Yeah. But the zebras having him poop and pooping it out.
Check out the Oscars. Everybody got their own little space.
Yeah, look at this dog.
So if you like this video, you want to see more feeding videos like this, make sure to what, Eli?
Like the subscribe button and like Daddy's video and subscribe to his
You heard?
channel.
Subscribe to the channel, like, show love, share. You already know. Squad up. Peace. Bye, Eli.
Bye.